I'm your speaking examiner, and I'll be conducting your speaking test, which is part 1. May I know your full name, please?
My name is Asad Yaqub.
May I see your ID card, please? Yeah, that's fair. How do you celebrate New Year?
Well, I celebrate New Year every year on 31st December. I usually go out with my friends. One of my friends arranges a New Year dinner. So I go there at around 9 p.m. and then we enjoy New Year dinner. After that, at 12, when it is time for the New Year, we just celebrate a little more and we have a little chit chat and we drink coffee.
Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated?
Yes, many years ago I celebrated New Year at French Culture Center and they had arranged a wonderful function there for New Year and I enjoyed a lot there because of barbecue, food stuff, and there were some foreigners and I danced with those foreigners and that was something worth remembering actually.
Do you have any ceremonies to celebrate the New Year in your country?
Well, in my country, we don't have any ceremonies to celebrate the New Year because we don't follow English New Year. We have the other New Year, but still youngsters, they celebrate New Year, but we don't have any ceremonies. But you know, people on their own, they arrange some private parties and all that stuff.
Why do people think New Year is a new beginning?
Actually, when there is the New Year, it means you should forget about your past and you should start the new thing. New Year gives you the idea of newness, and this newness is the essence of life. So whenever New Year comes, people plan, they have their New Year resolutions and they decide what to do next and they try not to repeat the mistakes that they did in the past. So yeah, that's why.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video.
No, ask me more questions. I need 8 band.
That's for the next video, Daddy.
All right, yeah,
We're taking it
yeah.
slow, right?
Well, what's my band score?
2. That's also if I am lenient.
All right.
The strict marking gets you 1.
1 means non-user.
So that's fine.
All right. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Tenu main car chal ke puchunga.
You're going with me. So
Yeah. Thank you for watching
This
this
is
video.
Daddy's IELTS class. I'll do the ending.
Okay.
Yeah, I was the examiner
Alright.
this time. Hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button, and turn on the post notifications.
I'm
and,
hitting.
And also this is Daddy's classroom. We have live classes. We have online classes. This is a WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Give it.
Again, say hit.
Hit.
Hit the like button.
Yeah.
Hit
The
button
like
now.
button. Yeah, like
Yeah.
button.
All right. Thank you very much, guys.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Bye.